今年4岁，跟我一起学习吧。
Big A, Little A.
Welcome to Phonics Fun with Curtis
and me, Zach. Big A, Little A.
Wow! Look! I see a big A. It's a big A.
Hey, look! There is a little A. It's a little A.
Hey, Zach, do you want to see something cool? I can make a big A. Big A, big A. Can you make a big A? Big A, big A. Great!
I can make a little A. Little A, little A. Can you make a little A? Little A, little A. Good!
Awesome! Big A!
Little A!
Good job! Big A.
Big A.
Excellent!
Big A. Little A.
Little A.
Excellent!
Little A. Which is Big A?
Excellent!
Which is Little A?
Excellent!
A says
Zach, what does Big A say?
I don't know. Let's ask.
Hey, Big A, what do you say?
A.
Big A says a. Let's say a together. Ready? Go! A. Good job!
What about little A? Hey, little A, what do you say? Little A says Let's say Ready? Go!
A. Good! Big A says a.
And little A says
A.
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 Let's say
A. Excellent! A.
Excellent!
A.
Apple, ant, alligator.
What was that? Did you hear something?
Yeah, look, there's an apple.
Oh,
Apple.
you're right, Zach. Apple. It's an apple.
Let's say apple.
Apple. Good job.
Wow! Listen!
It's an ant. Ant.
Ant!
Let's say ant together. Ant. Good job.
Huh? What was that sound? Ah! It's an alligator.
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 Let's say alligator. Alligator. Good job.
Now, let's get out of here.
Apple.
Apple.
Excellent.
Apple. Ant.
Ant.
Excellent.
Ant. Alligator.
Alligator.
Excellent.
Alligator.
Find the sound.
Look, Zach. What are these?
Oh, this is a hat. A says hat.
And this is a map. A says map.
What's this?
It's an axe. A says axe.
Cool. Now it's your turn. Say it with me. Hat, map, and axe.
Yay! Find the sound.
Excellent.
Find the sound.
Excellent.
Find the sound.
Excellent.
Big A, little a. A says apple, ant, alligator. Chant time! A. A says apple. A. A says ant. A says alligator. Apple, ant, alligator. Apple, ant, alligator. Apple, ant, alligator. A says